In this SFX makeup tutorial, we'll be learning how to do a poison ivy or poison sumac rash on your hand. This is also great for a Coraline cosplay. So let's get started. We are going to start this makeup off with red powder cosmetic. Get a good amount of it onto a makeup brush and then put it into a diagonal line onto your hand. Continue to brush this on, make sure you have a good amount, this is your base for the makeup. From there you're going to go and move on to more red cosmetic. I am using red water activated cosmetic that is from my Mayron palette, but you can also use pretty much anything for this. Continue to stack the cosmetic, and after one layer dries, apply more. This is going to make this makeup look really inflamed. From there, go and add liquid latex in little dots. I'm using the back end of a makeup brush. You could also use the back end of a paintbrush or pretty much anything that is circular. I'm starting off with larger ones, which is going to make this just a lot easier because you do not want any of these little dots to go and overlap. After you have all of those down and those are fully and totally dried, outline them with more red cosmetic. As you can see, I'm just using a paintbrush to go and paint this on, and I'm going around each and every one of the circles that I created. And as you do this, make sure to blend the cosmetic in a little bit. After that is done, go and add yellow cosmetic to the top of each and every one of the latex dots. Use your finger to go and pat it down before it dries. This is going to make these dots look a bit more realistic, plus also make it look like they're filled with a bit of pus like most poison ivy or sumac would be. And when you're done with the makeup, it should look a little something like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take it easy and have a great one.